Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. So this is our daily stand-up. So I'm audible, right? Let's give 2 minutes for the others to join, and we're going to start. So until then, I think we have questions on the chat. Good answer. On the website, it says the final report and GitHub are on Wednesday, but it's not open yet. Yeah, it will be open. It's not open yet, so you're correct.
So just to clarify, so you can actually check on the assignment when it's going to be opened, when it's going to be closed, and when the final due date is. So for every assignment, you can check that on the assignment. Okay.
And you asked for interim. I think the deadline was on Sunday, right? Sunday midnight. Yeah, the deadline was on Sunday midnight, but you have a 48 hours grace period. You can submit until then. So it will be marked as late, but it will accept your assignments. Yes, it will be graded after the deadline, but it will be marked as late. You have 48 hours.
So let's clarify. So what do you mean by the deadline? So there are two deadlines. Okay. So if you are referring to the closing date, no, it will not be. But if you are referring to the due date, yes. So Farnell, can you clarify the question? Which are you referring to? Yes, please speak.
So I actually missed the deadline, but which was at midnight by a few minutes, and was wondering what would happen to the grade. Would it be graded or not? But I think it was answered. But would there be a mark deduction or something?
No, no, it will not be there. There will not be a mark reduction for this project, but it will reflect on your submission history, and you are referring to the due date, not the deadline. So we have two deadlines, which is the first one, which you have missed, which is the due date, which means it will not be considered as on-time submission if you submit after the due date. But for the closing date, after that, the portal will be closed and you cannot submit. So you were referring to the due date.
Yeah, the due date.
Yeah, yeah. So you will get, you can submit as normal. The only difference is late submission and on-time submission.
All right.
Okay. So you does it also answer your question? Okay.
Okay, so let's start our daily stand-up. So have you guys, how is the project going? Have you guys submitted your interim projects? So how is everything going? You can share us here. So uh, any volunteers first? You can share your updates, like where are you right now? Did you submit or not? If you did not submit, okay, so Abbas, go. Abbas, you can talk. Can you hear us, Abbas? Okay, Daniel, you can continue.
So I did post the assignments, the non-technical one and also the technical one. I think the technical one was doing it on GitHub and sharing the link to the GitHub as well. I might have missed a few instructions, like missing a one merge request or something to request to merge the branches. And aside from that, I even did the additional task of making the dashboard for the trained model. Yeah.
Oh, so excellent. So you already finished and submitted for the interim.
Yeah, I did, and I also submitted the report as well, in PDF format, I believe.
Excellent. So thank you, Daniel. So Daniel, you can continue.
Yeah, yesterday and before yesterday, I was working on the interim project, and I managed to complete for the interim part, task 1 and task 2, and I have already submitted both reports. I mean, like the GitHub project in the report 1. And today I'm planning to continue working on the task 3. So, and the non-technical, if I get a time or a chance to work on it, on non-technical task. So that's it. That's my stand-up so far.
That's very good, Daniel. So you are on the right track. So yeah, thank you. So Hermes.
Okay, hi everyone. Good afternoon. Yesterday I managed to submit my interim projects, both the GitHub and the Google Drive one. And actually, I have two questions, especially on the GitHub parts. I believe we have to submit 3 EDAs, I think, yeah, for Benin and other 2 countries. And for me, the EDA should be 3, yeah, for those 3 countries. And the second question I have is,
You are breaking up.
in the
Hello, Hermes. Hermes.
okay,
So you are breaking up.
I can,
Can you make your sound a little better? Maybe connection.
okay, you can't hear me? Can you hear me
I
right
am,
now?
but yeah, yes. Continue.
Okay. So, like I said before, I have submitted both the GitHub part and the Google Drive, but I have encountered two problems. The first one is there are 3 countries. You gave us 3 datasets, and those 3 datasets, I believe we have to make in our notebooks 3 EDAs for those 3 datasets. Yeah, so it should be 3 different EDAs we should make. And the second one is when we make the EDA, I have clicked the code part and I have put it all the code in the lines that came after I click the code part. But I think because of that, the kernel is still connecting, but it is not running. Okay, so I got confused. If you can help me with that, I am this question.
Okay, can you share your screen, please?
Right now I am using my phone. Maybe next time, because I am using my phone. I am not home.
Okay, so like it's harder to understand the issue. That's why I just wanted to see your screen. So I believe the issue that you have faced is so you were trying to do the EDA part for the 3 countries by using 3 different notebooks, right?
Not like that. It is one notebook, but I believe
So
we should make 3 IPNB files. I think so for those 3 countries.
So
Yeah.
that's not notebooks. So you should have
Okay.
one for each according to the task, the child document, so that we will know which represents which. So okay, so we have that down. So you have put all the code in one kernel. Is that What you have done?
Yeah, when you when you click the code part, it's one line, yeah. And in that part, I put it all the code in that line, and I believe I should divide it. I don't know, but I
It's
thought
called
I should
a
divide it.
cell. So it's called a
Okay.
cell. So each so the code in the markdown are called cells. So you have put all the code in one cell and try to run it. So that's going to break your kernel, or it's going to take a long time to finish. So yeah, you should break it up. I think you can also refer to the code. I think that's shared on Drive. I think you can find it from the all the resource on Slack. So you are on Slack, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So you can go to Slack, and on all the all resource channel, you would find, I think, an example done by the tutor. So you can see how you can divide them, and plus you should do it one notebook per country. Okay.
Okay, thanks. So the streamline we use app.py should be for all those three things. We should use one, yeah. The streamline.
So
Dashboard.
yeah, the stream is a dashboard. So for the dashboard, you're going to use one. It's going to be one dashboard that's going to show the comparison of the three countries. So it's going to take in the data, and it's going to show the comparison. I think that too has been also shared on all resource, the example code. So you can follow up on that. Plus, if you if you still run into like an error or an issue, you can contact us, and we will help you. We will set up a session, and we can walk you through it.
Okay, thank you. I understand.
ልቀጥል ፊልሙ ይቅርታ ቀደም መንገድ ላይ ሆኜ
Yes.
ስላስቸገረኝ ነው።
Yes, Abbas. Continue, please.
ኦኬ ቴንክ ዩ እናንተንም ሁሉም ስሜታችሁን ስለምሰጡ ሳፖርት ወዲያውኑ ፈጣን ነው ሪስፖንስ ደስ ይላል። ሁለቱንም እንትኖች አስገብቻለሁ። ኢንተርኔት ሪፖርቱንም ጊታቡንም አስገብቻለሁ። ከዛሬ በኋላ ደግሞ የክላስሲዎችን እስከ ሮብ ድረስ አስገባለሁ ብዬ አስባለሁ።
Okay, Abbas, that's great. You are on the right track. So keep the momentum going. Thank you for your. I'm sorry.
ጥያቄ ነበረኝ።
Okay, okay.
አሁን ላይ ለምሳሌ በታስክ ዋና በታስክ እንሰራ ዳታ ላይ ምናምን ወይ ቪዥዋላይዜሽን የሰራናቸው ሰቶች ምናምን ካሉ ሙሉ ሪፖርቱ ላይ እንደ አዲስ አሳክ ማስገባት እንችላለን አይደል? ፋይናል ሪፖርት ላይ
Yeah, for the final report, yeah, you can fix your mistakes and submit it for the final report. That goes for the GitHub link also.
ጊታቡን ሁሉንም ብራንቾች ወደ ሜን ጨምቀን ነው የምንልከው?
Yes, you have to merge all the branches to main, and you have to submit the main branch on your submission link.
Thanks.
Thank you, Abbas, for sharing. So, Tababu, you can continue.
Yes.
Yes, Tababu, continue. Yes, you are.
Okay. Thank you. I would like to say thank you, Kirod Filmon, for your assistance. My current status is yesterday I have already submitted both assignments, task 1 and task 2. But after submission, especially for GitHub link, there is some AI generated like recommendation feedback in the Tinix platform. Building upon that, till morning, I have been working on the improvements of the GitHub links. But after previous session, which means today's session, I have working on task 4, scheduling time management. I have already done all the tasks, task 1, task 2, and task 3. For also dashboards. Currently, I'm working on task non-technical tasks for time management. But my question is not, yesterday I have submitted on time, but after that, depending upon the improvement feedback, Just I have submitted it twicely in my assignment GitHub link. Still now I have feedback on the platform, so I am working on the improvement. What if I submit it after 1 hour? So it will make any difference or any penalty, or how it be considered? It's like late submission, or my first submission is considered as like on time submission. If you get
Okay.
my question.
I think I understand your question. So you are asking that if you resubmit now, would it mark it late or
Yes.
right? So
Yeah.
yes, after the due date, the deadline, if you resubmit, it will marked as late,
Okay.
but it will be accepted within the 48 grace period starting from Sunday. So yeah, it will be marked as late, but yeah, it will be corrected. And you are on a good track. So thank you for sharing your stand-up. So thank you, Tlo.
Thank you, Fulmon. Thank you.
Okay. So anyone else? Let's read on the chats. Anna said, I worked on EDA and submitted yesterday, both technical and non-technical, and today I'm working on task 3 in time management report. Okay, that's very good, Anna. So keep going. That's a good. Okay, El Shaddai also said I have submitted the report in GitHub repo for task 1 and 2, and I'm planning to do task 3. Excellent. Brahanu said, where can I get the link for assessment in other docs if I missed them? So every week before starting the week, you get an email with all the assessment in the challenge document through your email, so you can find it there. If I answered your question. So Abbas, is that a new question or? Okay.
ሁለቱንም ሳስገባ ጄኔሬትድ የሆነ ፊድባክ አግኝቻለሁ። ሌላ ፊድባክ እንጠብቃለን። እኛውን ካስገባን በእናንተ ደግሞ
I'm sorry.
So I think I got the question. So Abbas, so yeah, but most of the time, I think you can rest assured that it's the correct one. So if there is some kind of like a change, you will see it as well. But if you want you can ask the tutor and they can give it to you as well. But I would suggest to just check the graders feedback and act it or not on that. But if you feel like there is some like error there, you can write in the comments here section and we will check it as well.
Okay, so on the chat, Jonathan said, hello there, I'm writing you this because I couldn't talk at the moment. I've submitted the interim reports, interim GitHub and time management report. It was good practice. I didn't know what interim was until now. It's a good thing to know in practice. Also, I have finished the final. I'm waiting for the assessment submission date to be opened, but it's a little bit hard to do the project on your own and submit on the due dates. I was following some tutorials, but it was taking long. So I used chats in Learn and Study mode. Thank you. Okay, so that's also one way to do it. Thank you for your. Okay, thank you, Jonathan. Yeah.
Maybe Philemon, just to remind everyone. So, like, you should always remember that our policy about AI is that you should definitely, most definitely use AI. So, this is the correct approach that you have done. You're not an I do encourage everyone as well to learn to use AI and to learn how to use it efficiently and so on. So this is a good practice, and yeah, everyone should do that as well. So I think we have, I think we have also mentioned this on the first day. We were talking about the training and everything else. We also mentioned that you should definitely use AI to your best of capability. So yeah, just wanted to remind everyone about that. And so you have to check. You have to go first to your email and check for the confirmation. So we have sent you an email to confirm your account. So you have to go there, and then once you confirm, you can go to 10x and use your email and password to be the same and try to sign in there. But if you have issues, you can contact me on Slack and I will help you get set up. Okay.
Okay, so anyone? So any updates, anyone, guys? Panel, is that a question or?
I want to ask, is it mandatory to attend every session? I mean, these meetings? I think I've missed a couple last week.
It's not mandatory. We understand that we assume you guys are working full time, so it's not mandatory. But if you can, please join the sessions. If you can't, you can watch the recordings on YouTube.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Anybody, guys, like any update is fine. Why, even if you didn't submit, tell us your blockers why you didn't submit. Any challenge so far? Okay. There is a question on the chat. I have a question for the dashboard. The data folder shouldn't be pushed right now. How to do deploy without pushing the clean CSV? Please answer this. I'm unable to talk. So Moba, can you answer this for him?
Hello everyone. I think the question is for the dashboard, the data folder shouldn't be pushed right. How to deploy without pushing the clean CSV. Yeah, if you have seen the video, I have shown you that you will not push the data into GitHub, that you will upload it to your dashboard. First thing you do is building the dashboard, and then you will upload your data on the dashboard to compare your data. So you can review the video recorded. It will show you the first steps.
So you don't have to push to your GitHub. You just upload it in the directly on the dashboard. So no need to upload to GitHub. Okay, thank you. So anyone? So all of you guys submitted interim here? Okay, so if there is no update here, we can end the session here. Thank you everyone for sharing. Okay, goodbye. Sorry guys, Emilian, you can continue.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing amazing. So I just want to announce tomorrow is the deadline for the Careers Challenge submission. But also, if you have any challenge, maybe accessing or doing the challenge self, you can always also raise any challenge here or reach out to me on Slack. So I will be always happy to assist you in case you encountered any challenge within the Careers Challenge. Thank you.
Thank you, Emilian. So anyone that have a question regarding to the non-technical tasks, you can communicate with Emilian. So thank you. Goodbye, guys.